great and honorable actions are accompanied with great difficulty. And both must be enterprised and overcome with answerable courage. If this capsule history of our progress teaches us anything, it is that man in his quest for knowledge and progress is determined and cannot be deterred. Some would have us stay where we are a little longer, to rest, to wait. But the first waves of the Industrial Revolution, the first waves of modern invention, was not built by those who waited and rested and wished to look behind them. We set sail on this new sea because there is new knowledge to be gained, and it is one of the great adventures of all time. We mean to be a part of it. We mean to lead it.